All right, YouTubers, we're actually out checking out a place today. Don't mind all the snowbirds, visitors. You gotta get here early. All right, we're checking out a bucket list that we wanted to visit for a long time. And we just got here and gotta wait in line for probably 30 minutes. Oregon Stop Pizza. What is it? All right, so opens at 3 today. They have a beautiful organ inside here. They play music, pizza. They got good gluten-free options. And we're gonna check it out. Beautiful weather out today, 78 degrees. And let's get inside. All right, so the drinks is at a separate counter. You can see the line right down there. All right, you can see all the different stuff with the pipe organ in here. It's all over the room. I'm totally gonna butcher the name of the organ, but it's from like the 1930s, I think. Yeah. All right, so to get your pizza when you know it's ready, you just look at the board up there. Super easy, it lights up. It tells the whole restaurant whose turn it is. All right, check that bad boy out. Gluten-free pepperoni and pepperoncinis. Oh, yummy. All right, so the pizza is actually very good. Your typical gluten-free. It's got a nice crispiness to it. We can't video once the organ starts, so just want to give in the food review. Definitely worth coming here. I don't know how the normal ones are, but this gluten-free one's delicious. All right. We were here about an hour and 15. You can still see there is a line trying to get into the place. My partner in crime. Great, awesome. It was so cool. You can put in your own requests, what you want. He finished with Phantom of the Opera, which was Nicole, one of Nicole's. He actually played both of Nicole's ones. And yeah, I think overall, I mean, this parking lot's full. It was empty when we got here. So get here around 2:40, I would say, when they open. Summer hours, it changes. I'm trying to give you some more info. Yeah. That's about it. Pizza was delicious. Great experience. We'll be back. See ya.